Welcome back to Hot Car Track. Today we're looking at how to assemble the Hot Wheels The Drop. It's pretty basic and I know you're going to get it yourself when you work it out. However, you may put it together and go, hang on, this just does not look right, because there is only one way that the actual drop goes together. So you're going to have 4 pieces if you purchase the 4-piece kit, and obviously there'll be 2 pieces if you purchase the 2-piece kit. Today we're looking at the 4-piece kit. There will be 2 straights and then obviously two curves, okay? So obviously the straights go either end of the drop. Now, how do you tell which piece is the top or the bottom of the drop? Because it's not labelled. The best way is to look at the side profiles, and the one that has the widest base here is actually the exit point. All right, that sits like that. And then you need to look at this piece here, which is the entry point, okay? And then all you do is just grab yourself two little tongue joiners that join into the track and have a look and see if it joins, okay? Now you can clearly see here that it's not a tight, snug fit. You can see this side is higher than this side, so therefore we know that this high side goes on this side, which is the entry point. So flip around, grab yourself another little joiner and just slide it in. So now we have the drop. That's how it should look. Everything should be flush with each part. And then it's the same with the very top part of the straight. That should join up to here, right? And everything is nice and straight all the way through, a nice straight line. And then we obviously join up the very end part, which is the exit. And that is exactly how it should look, okay? As I say, you're gonna work it out, it's pretty basic. And as always, what do I always say with all my track pieces that don't come with a bolt, is you just need a little bit of tape just along all the joins, okay, and that will secure everything nice and tight and give you a nice racing surface for when you connect it to your Hot Wheels. Obviously this end goes out to Hot Wheels, and obviously this end on this side goes to Hot Wheels, okay? If you purchase the 2-pack, which is, let me just take this off, let's get rid of that and just get rid of that. So some of you may not need these straights. So if you purchase the 2-pack, it's the same principle. The bottom part is this thickest part of the wall which sits on the floor, and then you just work out the top part. And obviously these joiners go into here, and then you grab some of your Hot Wheels track, connect it to there, put a bit of tape across that, and you're ready to rock and roll and race, okay? Happy days, good racing, catch you later.